Innova Solutions is a global company. We do talent solutions and solutions integrations. We're almost in every industry vertical, and we bring domain expertise to those verticals. It's very important for our staff to be on the cutting edge, right? To be able to deliver solutions that our customers are looking for. So for us, we're always looking at how do we modernize our customers' workloads so they're more cloud native, so they take advantage of the managed services, so they can focus more on product delivery instead of technological delivery that supports those products. Our goals really are to scale to zero for our customers.
Innova is diverse in its locations. We're constantly growing in different geographic regions. Over 50,000 employees, and everybody is involved with technology in some shape or form. We truly want to make every possible effort to get them all on the same page. Pluralsight stood out to us from the content, of course, fantastic content, and the content that's not stagnant. We're an acquisition-driven culture. We acquired 7 companies in 15 months. That's how fast Innova has grown. Now, with each of the companies coming in, they had their own learning tools and platforms. And one of our challenges was how do we streamline all of the different learning platforms to actually using the one that brings most value to us as a company and also for our clients.
So it's been going great. I think our favorite feature are the sandboxes. It's practical education. There's so much you can do with book learning. The other great thing is cost. Running AWS accounts and maintaining, your FinOps practice over it, well, it can be automated and do all these things. It's something we don't have to think about while training. If you're taking a junior person and putting them in an AWS account and essentially giving them the keys to the kingdom to deploy anything they want, there is a huge cost risk there. And the great thing about the sandbox is a couple hours, they disappear, and we don't incur the cost for using it. The other great thing that we can do with sandboxes is we can build broken environments and then task someone to go fix it. And we can give somebody the credentials to go into that account and not worry about exploitation of our own AWS accounts internally.
We've had 40% improvement in proficiency with everybody who's gone through Skill IQ. One of the metrics that really took me by surprise is in 2 days, we had over 120 plus people who completed Skill IQ because of a unique campaign we had. And in this 1 year, I could easily tell you from a tech solution perspective, Pluralsight has emerged as our top solution provider for any tech learning initiatives.
Skills pay bills, right? If you have the skills to deliver something our clients want, you will have a job at Innova, right? We're constantly driving our teams to have those skills that impress our clients, so we get that second sale and that third sale from the client.